chickens, waiting to see what I'm doing. So on the side of my house I'm growing herbs. Here's a large rosemary bush. That actually came with the house. Everything else I planted. Here's oregano. Smell it? And there's Wonder Cat. I call her that because I wonder what she does all day. And then here's bay leaves. So I pick them and dry them as needed. There goes Wonder Cat. This is mint. Here's our parsley. I dry it, but actually the wife prefers to cook with fresh parsley. Rhubarb from my Minnesota roots. And here's chives. So I cut some of that off earlier, and I'm gonna take it into the house, wash it, dice it up, and dry it. Here's some chives I picked from my herb garden, and I'm chopping them up into little bitty 1/4-inch pieces, and then I'm gonna dry them in the greenhouse. I'm gonna do rosemary, oregano, and a few other herbs. And if this works out, I'll have some dried herbs to give out to my friends for the holidays. And now I'm going to use the greenhouse to dry them. Now if any of you saw my video on tricks and tools, this was something I bought at a garage sale. I asked the lady I bought it from for $2. She said it was for her children to put toys in, kind of keep their room organized. But if you look at it, it's polyester with lots of air holes, and even each tier has air holes in it, so it's going to work out. You can buy herb drying things on the internet or at a store, but heck, this works. So now right now it's 82 degrees in here, and it's only noon, so even though it's the last day of October, it's Halloween, it's going to get up towards 90 probably all week. Stay warm in here. So what I'm going to do is just spread my wet, chopped, cleaned chives into each layer, and boy, it's quite a lot, but when it dries up, it'll probably be 1/3 as much weight and size. So I'm glad I got 3 levels here so that they all can dry out nicely. And put it all in these tiers. Now I'm going to gently spread them out, and I'll come out here every couple days or so and bounce them again so they move apart and get all sides of them dry. And I don't know, some people dry them in an oven, but really air drying is the best way to preserve the inherent flavor of the chives. It could take up to 2 weeks, but I bet you within 1 week this will be dry enough, but we'll see. Anyway, happy Herbaween.